Welcome, and so happy for you to be here. This is ASL Part 5, and we're going to talk about family words. And of course, the best place to start is family. So we'll make two F's and circle. So family. So I'm just going to make a circle. Family. Girl. Just running my thumb along the jaw. Girl. Boy. Father, it's up here, and mother, so mother and father. And sometimes people will do a little like wiggle of the finger, so mother and father, or just mother and father. And then if you put it together, then parents. Grandmother and grandfather, so very similar, except we're going to go out a little bit. So grandmother, grandfather. And you can, some places they do it twice, where you go grandmother or grandfather. So you can do it once or you can do it twice. Either is acceptable, or if you're out talking with someone and they make that motion, it's all the same. Grandparents is just like parents, you put it together, and grandparents, so grandparents. My grandmother and my grandfather. Baby, just put your hands and you just swing. It doesn't need to be a grand old gesture or anything like that. Just keep right here. Daughter, so you start at your chin, and I'm going to come down into my elbow. Daughter. I'm just kind of curving a little bit. Daughter. And son. So you start up at the forehead, son. Kid. So in the library lingo, we talked about children, which is like we're patting the heads of the little ones. Kid is you make, it's an interesting symbol for me. You make a rock-on symbol, you put it here, and kid. So I'm just flicking upwards like that, kid. Sister. So I'm making kind of like a finger gun, but I've pushed my thumb to the side. Sister. So I'm starting at the chin, and I bring it down. Sister. And brother. So you start at the forehead again. Brother. Sister and brother. And just like the parents and grandparents, you put it together and you make siblings. So sister and brother, siblings. Aunt, so you make an A, and you make a little circle. So be careful, I'm not touching my cheek or anything, because I don't want to confuse anyone and they think I'm signing girl or anything. So, or apple, because apple is up here. We'll get to that, we'll get to food. So we're not touching, and I'm just doing little circle motions forward. Aunt. And then move it upwards, make a U, and uncle. Uncle. So aunt and uncle. Niece and nephew. So you're going to make an N. Sometimes people do an N like this. I know in the alphabet video I did it this way. But some people leave their fingers outward. So just a heads up, if you're signing with someone and they do this, or they leave their fingers out, that is also an N. So niece. Down here, just under my chin, right up my neck. Niece. And nephew. And it doesn't matter if your fingers are out or in. As long as it's an in, that's all that really matters. Cousin. So we can see. Cousin. And it's a female or male. And if you're talking about like many cousins, usually it's just up top. So female, male, or if you're doing many cousins, that's fine. Wife. So I'm making that C shape, and I bring my hand down and I clasp my hands. Wife. And that's basically putting two signs together in the sense that this means married or marriage in sign language, and this bringing it from here, female, so wife and husband. And husband. Partner. So I'm just having 2 V's and partner. And last is sweetheart. So you have your 2 fists together with your thumbs up, sweetheart. So just a little recap. So wife, husband, partner, and sweetheart. So I hope you enjoyed those family fun signs, and tune in for next time. You know, feel free to put anything you want to learn in the comments, and I'll put it in a video for you. And as always, take care.